Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe I thought of doing after hearing a line in a film. What line are you ask? I'll tell ya.
To a New Yorker like you, a hero is some type of weird sandwich, not some nut who takes on 3 tigers.
So I sat there and thought, what's one of these hero sandwiches? And this is what I come up with. It's not 100% authentic, because you've got to work with what you got. But if anybody's willing to fly me and my wife to New York to try a real one, I'm more than willing to do that. Okay, the first thing you do is get a crusty loaf of rye bread. I'd give the bread a generous buttering, but my wife says no, so no butter. Then it's time for the layers. The first layer is provolone, Italian cheese. Then salami, followed by tomato. I always like to put something between the tomato and the cheese, because otherwise it squirts out when you bite into it. The next layer is pastrami, followed by thinly sliced red onions. Then is thinly cut ham. This is a meat overload. Follow the ham with pickles, as you see here. And last but not least, shredded lettuce. And when this is done, fold it over and cut it in half, because you couldn't eat all of this yourself. We do hope you like this recipe and give it a go sometime. One more thing before you go. If you're thinking of writing something nasty in the comments about this recipe, I'll refer you to another line in this film.
Why don't you knock it off with them negative waves? Why don't you dig how beautiful it is out here? Why don't you say something righteous and hopeful for a change?
Bye for now.